Guys, this is the second video, so while the other one's actually uploading on my tablet, we're filming on Luke, so we're hoping you like the last one.
Okay, so
isn't that right? The judge. So we're doing a competition. Whoever gets the best stuff wins. Right now, we're seeing what Luke got.
My face.
Oh, lemon juice. Oh, actually lemon juice.
Looks like we've got a cannon here, and we've got
medieval
jocks.
Let's see what the jocks are. What would the jocks be in? Oh, sorry.
Where's my time?
Oh, Jurassic Jocks. It's a rare. Oh!
Wait. I think this is the stick for him.
Yep. Rare. So it goes common, rare, ultra rare, special edition, limited edition.
And crazy cannon. I think it's over here, medieval.
We'll do it at the end,
Luke.
Luke, we'll do it at the end. So, let's get straight into my unboxing. Luke,
please.
Hold the camera so I can do my unboxing, please. Please, Luke. Luke, we're running out of time.
We need to get this guy's
user in.
Okay, so
got to unbox mine. Nice, surprise packs. See, bubble, that's why I like them. You get 2 per 1.
This is a big mess.
There's probably going to be an episode 3 before you know it. So, I probably shouldn't use my teeth.
There's Chucky.
But I don't care. I'm savage. Kind of.
Comment down in the comments, #Chooks.
Give me luck, world.
#unicorns as well. #Chucky unicorns.
We don't have a pet unicorn.
That's good enough, isn't it?
So, let's take this thing out. Put this toilet seat off. Open this. Put this in. I'm so excited. From the moment I saw these, I knew that I would love a blind pack. I hadn't gotten the blind pack.
Get up close.
Something in for ages.
Oh, it's starting to wet. I can feel this is going to be good. Oh, it's bloating. Oh, it's emptying.
Oh, nice. So if I lift this up, whoa.
Oh, what is that one?
It's the fizz stuff. Look at the ground. There's the fizz stuff. So this looks like, I know I got a Jurassic muck. Cause
that's gross.
Oh, look at all that fizz stuff.
Oh, that's so disgusting.
Disgusting. Oh, I got.
Oh, he got a rare. I think I know that one because that was on the cover.
I got these.
Okay, so he's got a bath shark, which is a rare.
Yes. And
what is that one?
So it looks like it's another one.
Jurassic.
But I'm going straight.
Grubby Club, which is uncommon. So we're tied right now. Common, rare. Wait. So, okay. So it's common. Right. So it's tied right now because I've got a rare, common.
We might leave this to the third video. So this could be the winning score. Right here.
If he gets 2 commons, it's a draw.
And we'll sort this out in the next video. Look at all this mess we've got here. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I want to see more content. And if this gets at least 10 likes, we will do another one, but with 4. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Bye.